Chenera Chumora. I'll be telling you about the top 3 places in Xavier High School. Hello everyone, this is the top 3 places in Xavier School. This is the high school canteen where people in high school and middle school come here to eat. Follow me. So interesting places here in the canteen is that goal. People throw their bottled water to have fun also at the same time to recycle. This is the Xavier School Library. This is where people like to play, like to read books, like this comic book, Pokemon Visual Guide. I read that myself and it's pretty interesting. I like to go and sit here in this tables because it's really interesting. They have glass here and they have cool chairs with you can put things inside. The Comic Corner. This is a place where we look at good comics from the XS High School Library. I like reading comics myself because it's fun and the artwork in these things are really great. The place where we students like to hang out. This is the top 1 places in Xavier High School where we all enjoy and have fun. Let's look around. We have some benches here that we sit on all the time, and we could just tell each other jokes or have fun. Here on the grassy plains, this is the place where we play some games or chase each other around. We like walking, sometimes eating here, because we like to talk to each other. What do you like about the patio?
What I like about it is that there's so many plants and there's a big chapel over there. Nice air conditioning.